Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to teleport in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to open your Genshin Impact via the Epic Games Launcher, and once you're in game, just press M on your keyboard first, which will bring up the map, and here are all the teleport locations. Click on any one of which you want to teleport to. For this example, I'm going to teleport to this point. So to teleport here, all you need to do is click on this icon right here, and then on the bottom right side of your screen, you'll see an option called teleport. Click on it, and you will be teleported to that location, as you can see right here. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!